Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Dropping Gems, and thank you so much for tuning in. I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for suggesting, for everything that you've been doing, and just for supporting so far. Now, for today's video, we're going to do something different, something a bit different. I know that I've been focusing just on a few videos on how to get your business up and running, how to get started on eBay, how to get started on Amazon, how to start to get making money in KDP and so forth. But I'm going to look into some different things just to encourage you guys on how it is that you can make some extra income online and offline. It doesn't necessarily have to be those three things. These things I'm going to be listening to you are things that I'm currently working on, some I have no experience in. However, I've seen women make a few $1,000s in these sorts of things, both online and offline. So let's get started. All right. Now, number one, we have an event planner. Now, this might sound a bit hard for some, but it's quite simple. When I say event planner, it can be you creating a picnic for someone. If it is that you like the idea of having sip and paints, you can put together a bundle and you can show sip and paints to family members, friends. If it is that someone wants a baby shower and you're going to be doing a sip and paint for that, that's one example as well. You can do picnics to persons or create picnics to persons. If it's a date, if it's a gathering with friends, you can do that. Or as small as you're just creating or preparing a scene for a small birthday or a small shower or a small baby reveal, all that is covered under event planner. So this is something that can be started easily. If it is that you have great decorating skills, you can start putting a page together, or you can even use your own whichever social media pages you have, and you start creating things and posting things, and when the person start inquiring, you basically list your price, and bam, right there, you're basically planning for events. Okay. Now for number two, we have a makeup artist. Now I shouldn't have placed makeup artist because an artist can basically cover different things. Now let me elaborate more. Now I'm sure you've seen a million and one makeup artists out there. Now, if it is that you're listening to me right now and you're not sure whether or not you should start advertising your work, baby girl, please do now. I encourage you to start a page, start posting. If it is that you need to sit down every single day and create a TikTok video to show how good you are, do it now, okay? So becoming a makeup artist is also very important. That's one way which you can make some money online. Also, sorry about that, guys. So start posting so persons can know what it is that you do or what you are. If you don't do anything, if you don't show anything, person would not know that you're good at makeup art. At basically doing makeup. Another thing you can do, I see microblading is something else that some girls are taking up very much these days. So becoming a microblading artist is also very important. I know there are a few $1,000s involved. Once you've learned the skill, it might take some amount of investment, but you can watch YouTube channels to see how that persons do it and you practice and so forth and you make it happen. Alright, so that covers becoming a makeup artist. Number three, we have a local chef. Now, when I say local chef, let's say you're home or you usually have gatherings and you can make a killer bomb burger or you can make a killer bomb tortito or you can make a killer bomb wings, whatever it is that you can make and you're killer at it. I beg you, please start a page and start selling it. If you can make it, you can sell it. That's all I say about a local chef. You basically you basically cook the food and you do your deliveries, so you make your money both on deliveries as well as on creating the food. So that's double portion. Alright. Next we have an online. So those that I mentioned prior are mostly offline things that you can do if you're home and you decide what you need to do and you have little money, little capital. Those are offline stuff. Now, when it comes to online, you can basically start a YouTube channel. Whatever niche it is that you're interested in, it can be you can cook, it can be you're good at something, basically social media advertising, or was basically good at teaching. It can be teaching kids, it can be tutoring, whatever it is. You can start a YouTube channel and you can put that content out there, and trust me, persons will see you. I'm an example of that. I've been on YouTube for July, let's say it hasn't been completed 3 months as yet, and I already have more than 50 subscribers. So that's my encouragement to you. People will see you, people will see your content, and they will come back. So start a YouTube channel. Next, we have creating an online course. Now, this is a set and forget it method where whatever it is that you want to do, if you want to teach persons how to garden, if you want to teach persons how to put your baby to sleep and these sort of things, it's just set it and forget it. Okay, when I say set it and forget it, that you sit down, you create a course, you create a content, you place it there, whether it's on Skillshare or Udemy, you place the course there, and that's it. I set it and forget it, and it continues to bring in the income continuously every single month. So that's another way in which you could create an income. For number six, we have an e-commerce store. I will be starting an e-commerce store soon, and I will be going through step by step the process on getting started. I did share a video with you guys how you can create your free e-commerce store, and you can drive traffic with your social media pages. Yes, you can drive traffic with your social media pages to your store. And whatever it is that you're interested or whatever it is that you can make, it could be something that you're making handmade, it could be something that you're sourcing and reselling. Create an e-commerce store and you can basically resell that item. Next, for number seven, we have an online agency. Now, online agency can comprise of anything. And basically, for an online agency, you can outsource. What I mean by outsource is there's your customer, there's you, and then there's the person who's actually doing the job on your behalf. Now, what I mean is that let's say you place an ad out there to say that you're going to a simple thing, fill out a tax form, or you're going to manage your social media, manage some social media, or something else can be where you can actually create an e-commerce store for that person. You place their content, you place their page out there, you see, and when a person inquires, you set your price. Now, when you have the money, you outsource to a person, basically an Upwork or Fiverr, that can actually do the work. That's if you have no no experience in doing such. So you outsource the work, you pay the person, let's say you pay 300, you pay them $100, and you have $200 basically for yourself. Alright? So that covers online agency or creating an online agency. And lastly, we have retail arbitrage. Now, I've been speaking about wholesaling, retailing, e-commerce, whether through Amazon, eBay, and these sorts of things. That also focuses around retail arbitrage. A simple way you can do it is you can basically buy some things from wherever that is a reasonable price and you place it up on Facebook Marketplace and you list it and place all the necessary images. When someone inquires and purchases the item, you basically ship the item. So it's like you have an online store as well. However, you're using Facebook, and since you already have traffic, you don't have to basically run traffic to yourself because Facebook is a big platform and there are many and thousands of people that visit there daily. So someone will see that item, alright? And that has basically brought us to the 8 ways in which women in the year 2021 can boss up and basically make an income for yourself. Don't let persons come and say you know you can't do this or no you can't do that. Please don't listen to them. Devil comes in many ways. Trust me, I'm a perfect example of such. I remember once when I was trying to start my first eBay store, and because of my location where I live, I was told that it's impossible to do such. And when I made my first $1,000 and I showed that person, they were like, okay. I didn't think that was possible. So don't let people come whispering to you, saying things to you that it's impossible or it can't be done. It can. And once you're consistent, once you're persistent, and once you place hard work, trust me, you will get to where you need to be. Just give it time. That's all. All you need to do is give it time. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Drop me a comment if you enjoyed this video. If you need more like these, you know how to hit me up. So thank you guys so much once more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.